Introduction of Coil Ignition System. In this video, we are going to watch the introduction of Coil Ignition System. Ignition switch. Now, see the arrangement of coil ignition system. Battery, relay, ignition coil, distributor, and spark plug. Now take a close look at the distributor. Cam, contact breaker, and rotor. The majority of spark ignition internal combustion engines uses battery ignition system. It is also known as coil ignition system. Working of coil ignition system. In this video, we are going to watch the working of coil ignition system. When the ignition switch and breaker points are closed, in the coil ignition system, an electric current is primarily supplied by the battery. It passes through the ammeter, ignition resistance, primary winding, contact breaker, earth. Here, the current will pass through the contact breaker and to the condenser. When the contact breaker point opened, the magnetic field in primary winding of ignition coil collapses. Due to sudden collapse of magnetic field, high voltage induces in the secondary winding of ignition coil. The distributor is employed to distribute the spark to different spark plugs according to the firing order. This high voltage pulse is supplied to the spark plug as per firing order by the distributor. This voltage of about 20,000 volts creates a spark in between the two electrodes of the spark plug.